Hi everyone, and welcome to day 18 of Take 5. We're gonna get a little bit into that upper body today, part of our core. So let's go ahead and get started in plank. 3, 2, 1. Now remember, we're connected, right? Shoulders, core, hips, it's all the same thing. So we're gonna do a little push-up series to get us started, all right? So belly is nice and tight. 4 count down, 4 count up. Use your knees if you need to. And yes, you've been in plank this whole time I'm talking, okay? 3, 2, 1. We go down, 2, 3, touch, up, 2, 3. Modify like this. Down, 2, 3. Pinch that scapula. Up, 2, 3. 2 more. Down, 2, 3. Touch your chest. Up, 2, 3. Last rep. Lift those knees if you can. Down, 2, 3. Touch, up, 2, 3. Still in plank. Pick up those knees. Now, bring your hands in tighter, okay? So, triceps in 3, 2, 1. We go down, 2, 3. Touch, up, 2, 3. Modify. Down, 2, 3. Touch, up, 2, 3. 2 more. Down, 2, 3. Touch, up, 2, 3. Come on, I'll struggle with you on the toes. Down, 2, 3. Touch, up, 2, 3. Hold that plank. 3, 2, 1. Lay on your side. Nice work. All right, bottom hand, which is bottom shoulder, holds top shoulder. You're gonna give yourself a half hug. Top arm plants below elbow. Feet together. Press. Press. Good. 8. How's that tricep? 7. 6. Use your core. 5. Come on, guys. Push off that ground. 3, 2. One more rep. 1. Beautiful. On your back before we do the other side. Flip. All right. Legs in the air for me. Reach them straight up. Exhale, arms forward. And then you grab. Grab, grab, core tight. Good, punch through those legs. Let them move fast. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, come on, 3, 2, one more, 1. Good, come on up. Now, other side. So obviously you can flip over or turn on your mat with me. Shoulder comes down, we reach over and hold the top shoulder. Hand goes flat, we activate top tricep. 3, 2, push. Push. Use that belly. 8. Come on, triceps and core, push. Push. Nice work, guys. Good, get yourself up off the ground for 4, 3, 2, one more rep, push, push, push. Beautiful. Exhale to your backs. Nice work, guys. So flipping over, exhale, legs back in the air for me. One leg down, one leg up, head up, and switch, switch, switch. Lift those shoulders, good. Pump those legs, nice. 8, 7, you ready for push-ups? 6, 5, you're like, I don't know, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, back to our push-up series. This time, down 4, up 1. So slow down, quick up. All right, guys, we got 1 minute. 3, 2, 1. Down, 2, 3, touch, up. Down, 2, 3, touch, up. 2 more. Down, 2, 3, touch, up. Last time. Down, 2, 3, touch, pop it up. Now, 4 and triceps. Bring it in. Down, 2, 3, touch, pop it up. Down, 2, 3, touch, pop it up. Modify if needed. Down, 2, 3, touch. 1 more. Down, 2, 3, touch, pop it up. Arms out in front of you. Exhale, plank. Now, forearms up, forearms, up, 10 seconds, come on, up, can you go them both together? Come on, tap, up, tap, up, bring it back. You're done, guys. Woo! So you definitely felt an upper body get involved. Way to be strong today. I'll see you tomorrow for more Take 5. Nice work, guys.